Everyone, thanks for joining us on SERVi Homestead today. How do you know if your chainsaw chain is backwards or not? Alright, some bores have a little diagram showing you how to put the links in the right direction on your chain. So what does that look like in real life? Not like this. This is backwards. This is where the cutting happens, this little curved tooth right here. So this should be facing forward, and that's what this is showing here. See, that's the little curved tooth. So this chain is on backwards. And always remember that you're usually cutting down here and the saw moves this way. So you want that little cutting tooth to lead the way, and in this case it is not. The little cutting tooth right there is not leading the way. Alright, so how do we get the chain in the right direction? Well, we need to take the bar off. So we need to loosen these two nuts, get the cover off, loosen the adjustment screw a little bit as well. Getting kind of dirty in there. On a side note, this is where the bore oil comes in usually. There's a little bitty pump back there somewhere in the tank, and you want to make sure that stays clean and clear so that your bore can stay cool and lubricated. Now, it's also a good idea to flip your bore over every once in a while. Yes, it can run upside down. Wrangler store has some funny stuff about the bore being upside down. You should check it out. Alright, so once we know we have the chain facing in the right direction, because we can see the little curved chisel cutter is facing forward, leading the way, taking wood chips out like that. Then we make sure the chain is in its groove. Slide it on, put it around the sprocket on the clutch. Cool. We can put the cover back on. Now notice that it's not going all the way down because the pin is not lining up with that hole. So I need to slide my bar forward a little bit. Alright, loosen the adjustment screw a little bit. Then we can put the nuts on loosely. And then add a little tension by tightening this screw. You can see it's straightening out the bore and tightening up the chain. I must have a bad link in here because it's not going all the way into the groove very well. And we don't want this to be super tight. You want to be able to pull maybe a little more than 1/4 inch down like this. Okay, I'll tighten these up really well because these hold the bar and everything in place. This is usually a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter. I keep this little guy right here. Fill up with some good 2-cycle mixed fuel and some bore oil. I've even used old engine oil before, but bore oil is the best. It's really viscous. It has a stickiness to it, and so it's really going to coat. Look, you can even see it just right here, the string of it. See that stringiness? It just makes it better for coating the chain and keeping things lubricated and cool. So make sure this is kind of clean. Bore oil, fuel, and you're good to go. As always, be careful. This is a wide open cutting blade, spinning at high speed, so use all proper safe practices. Check out all the other cool YouTube videos about using a chainsaw properly. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you on the next one.